Hi, I'm Ellen Lewis. I'm the director of Mountain Pathways, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about what makes our school so unique. At Mountain Pathways, we focus on hands-on experiential learning starting at a very young age. We focus not only on our students' academic growth, but also on their social, emotional, and physical development. We aim to help children grow in their self-confidence and to nurture their love of learning. Our goal is for children to leave Mountain Pathways as curious, engaged, and responsible people who yearn to contribute to the world in meaningful ways. To learn more, please visit our website or call us to schedule a tour. We hope to see you soon.